So I have here a GEC 60 watt SLI/H lamp. So it's a linear sodium lamp. It's got a power groove arc tube. If you look at the arc tube, it's a groove. You can't see it very well because the inner tube, the outer tube of the lamp is coated with heat reflective material. But these are incredibly rare. I was lucky to get this one. It's never been used, it's never been lit. It's going to be lit for the first time. As yet, 60 watts. And the cool thing about these is some of them, including the 60 watt ones, are switch start. Yep, a switch start sodium lamp. As you can see here, got a starter switch here, which is that. Wired up here to a 80 watt mercury ballast, which is compatible with these, because the current is 830 milliamps. The voltage is from 80 to 100. 80 watt mercury lamp runs at it's 0.8 amps or 800 milliamps at 100 volts, not 115. So it's within tolerance. And this, in fact, some SLI lanterns around these had old 5-foot 80 watt fluorescent chokes, which are the same as this, as the original 80 watt BC tube or 80 watt 5-foot fluorescent tube was made to run off one of these. So, let's switch my Variac on. It's on. Voltage is set to 240, and well, let's fire this puppy up. Just making sure everything's correct. Everything is correct. There's a switch. Here goes nothing. Well, oh, didn't blink. Sure is awesome. You can see it. I lit it up for the first time. Just awesome. Really awesome. There's the other one. You can really see the profile of the arc tube now. See what I mean by power groove? And you can see the edge a bit better now. And there's the cathode. It isn't really that flickery, just what the camera picks up. And you can see it's starting to warm up slightly. Yeah. These strike quite easily. That's why there wasn't many blinks. I would suspect as they got, if this was put into service, the older it got, the more blink happy it would be, as it was harder to strike as the emissive coating wore off the electrodes. See, sodium. This the gas mixture is neon and argon, but it looks like there's a higher percentage of argon in this lamp. And in fact, yeah, there's because you can see it's a bit more not as blue as it looks like on the camera, but definitely much more pink than a normal SOX lamp or an older one of these. This one is from 78, I believe, yeah. And the older this got, the redder it'd get as the more argon the arc tube absorbed. Let's see the just you can see the dimples. Yeah, there's sodium there. Starting to warm up. Just turn the lights off. Just warm up. Ballast is nice and cold over there. It's warming up. Let's see if we can get a good nice close up of see if we can get a close up of the electrode. There we go. See the electrode there. So we can get a good. Then there's a nice close up of the edge. Let's get a close up of the other electrode. Nice. Let's take that one. Get it in focus. Come on, focus. I didn't want to focus. There we go. You can see the hot spot on the cathode there. And that side is on more. It's just that section left now. Just that one section there. To the left. It needs to still warm up. It's almost fully warmed up. Well, not almost, yeah. There's just that little section there that needs to warm up. Just that little weeny section there. Just a little bit of argon left, apart from the reddish glow surrounding the electrode. There's a slight blue glow. And there's the, I don't know, you can't see it on camera, but there's the other end. running out. It's quite bright now. It isn't even fully run up yet. We're going to sit it till it runs up. Almost done running out. You can see there's a whole view of the lamp again. The larger lamps, the larger 200 watt SLI lamps, or the larger ones and the larger SOX lamps, you can actually hear them as they warm up. You can hear them go ping, 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 as the discharge tube and the glasses and the metals expand at different rates, and it makes a noise. This is a smaller one, so it doesn't do it. Though it makes slight noises. You can just about hear them. Don't know if they get picked up by the microphone on here, though. I had a 200 watt one of these at one point. It was awesome watching that run up. I gave it to a friend. Same GEC. Paid an arm and a leg for it too. Yeah. I like the 60 watt one though better. Much more compact. Although the 200 watt one is really awesome. And well, by the looks of things, she's fully ran up. So, as you can see, this cathode here, well, as you can't see the cathode, as it's surrounded in illuminated sodium vapor, well, it's fully ran up from that end, right there, all the way to this end, right there. There's the ballast again, only very slightly warm, you know, about 30 degrees C, no, 60 degrees Fahrenheit for the Americans out there. Switch, it's a normal switch start socket, there, goes all the way there, and it's just normal piping end caps, like you see there. Stem, getter, lamp, sodium in there. Well, you can see it's fully run up. Now to see how to perform, see what it does when you restart the lamp when it's hot. There you go, switch it off. Oh, just starts up. You know, like, just started up like it normally starts up on a normal switch to the, well, normal, you know, like when it did when I first turned it on. So, there you go. There's my 60 watt GEC linear sodium lamp running up. I hope you enjoyed, and lights out.